today at Back to Health with Dr. Randy Moze, Doctor of Chiropractic. Back to Health is the area's only ProAdjuster clinic, which we'll explain more about later. But first, Dr. Moze, tell us what kind of issues you see here.
Well, we see everything from asthma to sciatica. Lately we've been seeing a lot of women that have either menopausal problems or the monthly typical issues of headaches, migraines, cramping, even irritability.
I bet they enjoy you helping them with that.
So do their men. In addition, we see a lot of golfers that have shoulder, hip, and knee pain, and we tend to improve their golf game because they have less restriction. A lot of office workers, and actually anyone who sits on a computer for any length of time, either for working or just surfing the net, seems to have poor posture, which leads to carpal tunnel, neck strain, upper back pain, low back, and even headaches. We can usually restore ruptured discs, giving great relief from sciatica, and I can improve the range of motion in the neck, which will also help correct carpal tunnel. I can work on TMJ, even fibromyalgia, where other methods don't work. Pregnant women with back pain, sciatica, and headaches get great relief. Women, even my daughter, have reported easier delivery with care throughout their pregnancy.
Dr. Moze, how old do you have to be to get adjusted?
We see people that are actually from infants to children. We are very good with colic, ear infections in children, bedwetting, even growing pains. And remember, the ProAdjuster doesn't twist, turn, pop, or crack, so it's a very gentle adjustment.
Right, that's what I love about it. So let's go ahead and tell everybody what the ProAdjuster is.
Sure. And what we're doing now is analyzing your spine with a gentle 6 pounds of pressure, and let's see what that analysis showed. So here's your analysis, and as you can see, T4 is a very long line. You can see that the sine wave has a very long or a high arch on the blue line, which represents a problem with T4 right there. So let's see what T4 goes to. T4 goes to in the middle of the rib cage, also goes into the gallbladder. So as you can see, you do have a problem there. Now, you may not have symptoms at this point, but we want to be proactive about it and get that point adjusted.
So in other words, even if somebody feels great, if they feel like they're in great health, they still need to come in and get checked out because there could be an underlying problem.
Oh, absolutely. We see people every day where we find problems that they don't have symptoms of right now, and we definitely want to be proactive towards that. Let's turn you around and get you adjusted.
Okay.
So what we're doing now, Heather, is adjusting that segment, making sure that we have corrected it. I will rescan you and we'll see where we went. Again, the 6 pounds of pressure to rescan you. Let's see your results. So you can see this is the before scan, then we adjusted, and this is the after scan. The after scan shows much tighter lines, and that big red line that was there isn't there anymore. Now let's look at the curve part. You can see that big tall blue line is gone. You can also see that the second curve has lower and more organized lines in there. That can show me that we've got the problem corrected.
Dr. Moze, I can't tell you how much better I feel after just one time of being adjusted.
Yeah, a lot of people get results the first time, and we get very good results here.
And another thing, you know, there's no twist, turn, pop, crack motion, and I think that will put a lot of people at ease.
Right, it's a very gentle adjustment, and the technology's been around for about 9 years.
And you're the only doctor of chiropractic in the area that has the ProAdjuster.
Absolutely, yep.
Now, what other therapies do you have here at Back to Health?
We offer hydrotherapy, which is like a very relaxing hydro massage. We have the flexion machine for restoring ruptured discs. We do physical therapy here also, and we can actually recurve a neck that has a straight neck, which could cause headaches and migraines, and we can also do distraction for ruptured discs of the neck. Back to Health is located at 1617A West Market Street in Johnson City, directly across the street from Bank of America in the Westtown Pharmacy Center.
We had the opportunity to meet Dr. Randy over 2.5 years ago. We were in Atlanta for 14 years and have always used a chiropractor. What is special about this practice is the ProAdjuster. I used a ProAdjuster while I was in Atlanta and had significant damage to my neck due to an accident I had. And the ProAdjuster allowed me to heal and gained full motion within my neck area again. So we moved to this area. One of the first things I did was look for a chiropractor that used the ProAdjuster. Dr. Randy's the only chiropractor in the area that actually uses this technology.
Take charge of your health at Back to Health, the area's only ProAdjuster clinic.